So YouTube, just wanted to make a quick video on what happened with my jack the other day. I've had this jack for probably about 8 years. That's a nice little low profile 1.5 ton racing jack, they call it, at the Harbor Freight website. So the other day I went to use it to lift my S10. It would not raise anything. I could stand on it and it would raise me up, but as soon as I put it underneath the truck, it just wouldn't do anything. It would come up to the frame and stop right there, would not lift anything. So I did a little quick looking around, troubleshooting, and what I found actually was that this piston over here was stuck in the down position. So what I did was I just grabbed a screwdriver, popped it up, and then lubricated this piston here and cleaned everything up really good because I had a bunch of dirt and all that stuff like in all this area here. I'm sure that was gunking everything up and not allowing it to work properly. But I got that piston freed up, and this thing now will raise the truck. If you're having a issue with this thing not raising, make sure you're checking your pistons back here and make sure they're coming fully back up with each pump of the handle. Just wanted to share my experience with you. Again, this is an 8-year-old jack. I've been using it for a lot of different things, tons of brake jobs. I was doing brake jobs for people at work. I'm not a daily mechanic, I'm an engineer, but I do work on a lot of stuff on the weekends. I have used this jack quite a bit. As you can see, it's roughed up, it's scratched up, banged up. It's gotten a lot of use, and it still works after 8 years. So for a $65 jack, I'd say it's well worth it. All right, I hope this diagnosis helps you out and will help you fix your jack as well. Hopefully you're just having a minor problem the way I did and you keep on using your jack. Thank you very much, YouTube.